Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Dino Tycoon token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Dino Tycoon is an AI-powered investment simulation game built on BNB Smart Chain BEP20. Players operate their own theme parks, attract visitors, and maximize profitability through strategic resource management. In addition to in-game activities, players can participate in trading functions and support token liquidity with on-chain contributions rewarded based on their level of engagement and performance. Each season, Dino Tycoon also hosts trading tournaments designed to engage the broader community and encourage active participation in the token economy. Through these competition, traders are ranked based on their performance metrics such as ROI and transaction activity, and top performers receive on-chain rewards in Tycoon token. This seasonal trading league not only enhances liquidity but also strengthens the connection between the game's economic system and its user-driven market dynamics. The game combines traditional Web2 management simulation mechanics with Web3 tokenized incentives, creating a bridge where players' performance and on-chain economic activity are naturally interconnected. While not all while not all in-game assets are fully on-chain, key ownership and reward mechanism are verified transparently through blockchain to ensure fairness and sustainability within the ecosystem. Rhino Tycoon project institution rating is 3.5. Rhino Tycoon token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 217.5 million Tycoon token. Tycoon token is listed on Binance Alpha, Gate.io and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.